Good morning. Welcome back English Bal Bharti class 4. Now today we are going to learn a new chapter from our English Bal Bharti textbook. Chapter number 20, all about glass. Now in this lesson we learn about how glass is made of, shape and color. We also learn about its properties and types of the glasses. Let's see. Chapter number 20, all about glass. See, glass is one of the beautiful substances that we see around us. Just take a look around yourself and see how many things you can find that are made of glass. Light bulbs, bottles, jars, glasses, reading glasses, marbles, window panes, to name just a few. Where does the glass came from? Now, glass, we know it properly. We see that so many things that we use in our day to day life which is made from glass. We see around ourselves that are many things made out of glass, like in our home. For example, given here, light bulbs, bottles, jars, glasses, reading glasses, marbles, window panes, all these few names which is given here. So many things they made from glass only. It is very useful and beautiful substances that we are using in our life. Now see the next one. Next passage. How glass is made. The glass that is used to make so many everyday things is a man-made material. Can you guess what is made from? It may seem unbelievable, but this clear, transparent and smooth looking material is actually made from sand. Glass is made by heating a mixture of clean white sand and chemicals like soda and lime. The mixture is heated in the furnace till it turns into hot liquid glass. When it cools down, it becomes stiff and hard. Let's see how glass is made. Now here very clearly given here that how glass is made, because we use it every day and this glass is man-made material. It means man make these things. We know that there is a natural thing which is a naturally available. We call it natural things. And second one is the man-made thing. So glass is made by the man. So that's why we call it man-made. Here clearly mentioned that this clear and transparent material actually made from sand only. What? Sand. Transparent means can be seen through clearly. Glass is made from heating mixture. Now what are mixtures? Clean white sand and chemicals like soda and lime is got from limestone. There are the things that are mixture, and after mixing they heated in furnace. Furnace means what? Enclosed thing in which material can be heated to a very high temperature. It means for the glass, what things we have to use? First one, white clear sand, then soda and lime and their mixtures, have been heated in furnace. And in these things we put all the materials and heated with high temperature, and it turns into a liquid, and after cooling the glass became stiff and hard. Stiff means what? Something that cannot be bent. It is very hard when is heated. It's as a liquid, and after cooling the glass liquid it's became a stiff and hard. It's very stiff and hard. Next one. Now here, how glass is shaped. Once glass has become cold, stiff and hard, it is not possible to shape it. Glass is brittle. That means it breaks easily. It has to be shaped into different articles when it is still hot and soft. Very hot glass is more like a liquid. You can pour it, mold it, roll it, press it, or even blow it to make a variety of shapes. Hot liquid glass is poured into molds and hardened to make articles of various shapes and sizes. It can also be rolled out to make flat sheets of glass. In another process, molten glass is floated on a bed of molten metal to make very flat glass sheets of even thickness. Gobs of hot liquid glass can be blown into bottles, bulbs, glasses, and other objects. Liquid glass can also be drawn out into very thin fibers or glass wool. Now here what how glass is shaped. It means when glasses become stiff, it means something that cannot bend or move. When glass gets cool, the heat moves away and it becomes stiff. When the heat moves away, it becomes stiff and hard. And after becomes stiff and hard, it is not possible to shape it, and glass is brittle. That means it can break easily. That's why your mother do not give you to glass object like a glass or bottles of the glass, because if you throw it here and there it can easily break. That means brittle. When it is hot, like as a liquid, we can pour it, mold it. Mold means what? Shape. We can make various types of shape of glass when it is not like a liquid. That's why we get variety of glass in a different shape and sizes. It means when it is get heated, that time we can easily roll it, mold it, and we can give a various different types of shapes. Hot liquid glass, pour it and mold. After pour it and mold, it became hard and it becomes whatever you want, wish to take a particular thing's shape. It means when it is in a liquid form, you can easily give any type of shape to the glass. So with a various shape or sizes. Sometimes it can rolled out as a plain flat sheet, and when you go to the shop which is the flat, and they cut it and give you to their another process to mold it. And liquid form, it is the floated form, it is the molted and metal material. Liquid glass poured and molded to make a very flat glass sheet, and this is even in a thickness it is the very thick, all around it is the same. It means all sides are equal. Gobs means lamp of glass, and hot liquid glass, that is bloom it into the bottles, bulbs, glasses and many another object which is we use as a glass object. Now this liquid glass also use very thin fiber. Glass wool means what? Thin fibers. It means the liquid also can use as a thin fiber or a thin wool. Okay, now see the next passage. Some properties of glass. Glass has many useful properties. It is transparent. You can see through it. It is a strong and hard. You can put a lot of load on it. It is a impermeable. It does not allow water or other liquids to pass through, and it does not get soggy or stain itself. Glass has no effect on the food, water or other substances stored in a glass containers. In other words, it doesn't impart a smell or taste to them. Ordinary glass has a smooth surface and it can be washed easily. And last but not the least important is the fact that is it looks beautiful. No wonder then that it is used to make so many things. Glass is a very useful. It is transparent. I already told you what is mean by transparent. So then it is strong and hard also. Lot of load can be placed it. Then it is the impermeable. It means it does not allowing any liquid to pass through it. And now for example, if you have a paper and water, it can remain on the same thing. It then it is does not get soggy. What is the meaning of soggy? It means very wet, soft, so unpleasant. It means the glass is not as a soggy. If you put water on the glass, it does not get soggy, and glass has no effect on the food, water and other substances also. That means if you poured milk into a glass container, now the milk remain as it is. The glass does not influence taste or color on milk which is poured into a glass container. So glass is such a beautiful material. It is not spoil the food and water. It can wash easily. It means these are the properties of glass. What glass is a useful, transparent and strong and hard, also does not soggy, does not affect on any water, food or any substances. It does not impart a smell, taste to the another object, and also it wash easily. We can easily wash the glass object, and its look a very beautiful also. So many things in our day to day life we can use as a glass object. See the next one. Colored glass. Ordinary glass is a colorless, but it is possible to produce color and transparent glass by using different combination of chemicals in the glass making process. Glass can be given many beautiful colors: blue, violet, turquoise, ruby red, pink, umber, orange, deep yellow, purple, amethyst, dark green, even black and white also. Here you might have seen glass as a different color. Now this ordinary glass, it is a really possible to color the glass with the help of chemicals, mixtures. You can easily color the glass, and the colors, as also the color in the glass, you can seen in a different colors bottle. Here the picture show that the different color bottles of the glass, like as a blue, violet, ruby red, pink, umber, orange, deep yellow, even white and black bottle also we can color it into the glass object. Next one. See the stained glass. Color glass is used to make a beautiful pictures, especially in window panes. Such windows are known as stained glass windows. They are seen mostly in churches. Colored glass can also be used to make a beautiful sculpture or decorative articles. It is also possible to paint on glass using special chemicals and process. Color glass used to make a beautiful pictures. Especially we use it is for the window panes. Such a window panes known as a stained glass. Many times we can see this stained glass, color glass also to use to make a beautiful sculpture. The art of making sculpture means what? The art of making various types of sculpture by carving stone, wood or metal, glass. Also turn into a beautiful sculpture and decorative article. With the help of stained glass we can make or made a beautiful sculpture and decorative article in our houses, in our surroundings also. It also possible to paint the glass with using a different kind of chemicals and the process. We can color the glass also. See the last passage from this lesson. Glass can be recycled. Another unique feature of glass is that it is 100% recyclable. Old glass can be used to make new glass any number of times. Recycling glass is this manner is much cheaper than making a new glass from raw materials. It requires such a less heat and a lot of energy is saved. If you recycle even a single glass bottle, you save enough energy to power a color TV for about 20 minutes. So, the next time you throw away a glass bottle, think glass is valuable. Now here glass can be recycled. Another unique feature of the glass, that is it is 100% recycled. Variety of thing which is made out of the glass, and it doesn't take much money. It is not costly to make a new glass using the old one glass. That's called it is the recycle. It means with the uh, wasteless glasses we can make a new one glass and use a old glass, that's called the recycled. It also save energy, that can we can run the television about 20 minutes. See, that is the very beneficial to all of us. If we have saved one bottle, then we can run the television for the 20 minutes and we save the energy also. It requires much less heat to recycle the glass once again. So the next time when you throw away, when you break and throw away the glass bottle, you have to think about it, what glass is valuable. And in our day to day life, glass is very important. Many things, many objects we use which is made from the glass, and if the glass is break or any damages it will be happen with the glass, it can be recycled also, we can use it once again. Okay, I hope you understood that all about glass. We can understood, we learn also here how the glass is made, the different properties of the glass, recycleness of the glass. These things you have to read it properly, you have to underline the hard words which you cannot pronounce it properly. Okay, we will meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Take care.